The benefits of keeping pets at home. Everyone knows that pets can put a smile on any face. And there are lots of benefits of having a pet, a dog or a cat. This include lifting our mood and easing loneliness, as well as improving our physical and mental health. Here are some advantages of having a pet. One, pets will help you increase your social skills. Having a dog not only gets you out of the house, but your furry friend can make it easier to start up a conversation. Two, pets help with loneliness. Having a pet in our homes or by our side when we're out and about can make us feel less alone and more safe, especially in certain situations such as going out in the dark, walking in unknown places, or just to talk and be there. Three, pets can help with your fitness. Having a dog will, of course, help to increase your energy levels and keep you active. For pets can reduce stress and anxiety. Spending time with a pet can help us to have a better mental health. 5. Pets can help people with disabilities. Dogs make great um, com- um,
Companion.
companions for people with learning and physical disabilities. Assistance dogs are used to help people with disabilities manage everyday tasks, both in the home and when out and about. For example, they can help blind people. 6. Pets make you happy. To put it simply, our pets can help to lift our mood and make us feel happier, especially during difficult or stressful times.